said no racing, no gambling.
Yeah, he's changed his mind. Right. Don't worry, Finn, okay? Cavalry boys ride like a sack of stone.
John, there's an awful lot of clean shillings around here today. Now, out of loyalty to the regiment, they'll all be putting their money on this bad boy that I filled up with morphine and water. Here, Tommy's all right if I do the book, is he?
He said betting's okay, but all proceeds go to the Shelby Foundation charity.
What? This charity of his for real, then?
He says he wants to be seen giving back to the poor of Birmingham.
So that'll be me, John, myself, if I can't earn a shilling here tonight, huh?
They're making the fucking Lord Mayor next.
I sure did, Charlie Wood.
Fucking hell.
Right. All you lot make as much noise and fuss as you can, especially fucking you.
So we're a fucking distraction, John, is it? Huh? Tommy's doing business tonight, he should be just fucking. Right, place your bets with me. Your favourites, come on, boys, because I hope my boy Finn doesn't fall off the fucking horse. Come on.
Charity. Shut up.
Oh, you found it. We nearly give up.
Did he tell you what my business with him is?
Same shit the Turks used to smoke.
I wonder, why does he trust his aunt more than his brothers?
Go and watch the race, boys.
The Turks claim.
I'm Russian.
Same fucking thing.
So you made contact on my wedding day.
You're now very powerful enemies. At the Soviet embassy and within your own government, you're being watched. At your house, your office, your clubs, your bars.
You best be quick or I'll be missed towards the money.
The Duke's niece is bringing it from London.
I was told money on contact. 10,000 in US dollars.
My employer only trusts members of his family with cash. She'll be at Snow Hill Station at 10 o'clock.
A woman alone in Birmingham with $10,000 in cash.
And she also has a revolver.
Oh, I see.
I thought you trusted women.
I don't trust Birmingham. I'll have it picked up.
By who?
By the police, pal. This is our city.
Beautiful horse, Tom. Beautiful.
He's a natural, that boy.
Yeah, good posture. Rides like that.
Right, listen to me. Tell Johnny Dogs and his boys like to fight in the woods. A big one to take meat. And send Finn to watch the gates. Moss is bringing someone.